how I wired my Anchor dash cam. So up and underneath the roof lining, tucked it in through here, and then underneath the weather stripping here. There it is. So I ran it all the way down, but instead of continuing to the trunk, I kind of went through here. I was able to pass it underneath the glove box, right between the trim and the glove box. It's just underneath, you can see it there. And then this was kind of tough, but I snuck it under there, and then was able to get it behind this trim piece. You can see it here, and then just kind of underneath the whole way, all the way to the back, and then popped it out here. I got this little USB thing thinking maybe it would kind of keep it out of the way. Don't think it really does a whole lot, but obviously it's in the middle. No one's going to be sitting there. No one should be hitting it, and I don't think I'd ever use this otherwise, so I think good job of hiding it.